Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. Check it out. I want to do two things. First, I wanted to tell you about the time that I stopped riding my motorcycle. And then I want to show you my saddlebags, kind of give you an update. So if you're here just to look at the saddlebags, they're just fantastic. I know some of you guys may not stick around for the entire video. It's going to be at some point during this video, I'm going to stop and I'm going to give you a closer look on my bags. But if you don't want to do that, I love them. They're doing fantastic. I really enjoy the bags, and I think it's a great addition to the motorcycle. But again, you know, I want to talk about the time that I actually stopped riding for almost 4 years, and it was, wow, I just couldn't believe that it was that long, and I couldn't believe that I did that. But before I get into all that, welcome to the channel. I hope you guys are doing fantastic, and I hope you guys are having a great day. I know life has been complicated lately here. If you're watching in the United States, it has been just a pain on the butt. But just know that it's a season and we are going to get better, right? There's going to be better times coming up. Thank you, Lord, because I'm tired of it. I'm just sick of it. And I just can't wait to go back to just regular days, you know, where you could go to places and they don't look at you weird because you're not, you know, complying by everything. Anyways, I'm not going to get into that in this channel. But just recently I released a video where I said that I was hurting and my back was just killing me. And I spent about a whole week without riding. And that's kind of was like the point that I had a few years ago, right? I left the military and I was having really bad issues, really severe at that point, right? To the point that I just couldn't do much. And it's crazy because if you never had that kind of back issues, you would never know this, but it gets pretty insane to the point that you cannot even stand. And, you know, it started with just, you know, pain and injuries from, you know, military times and all that stuff, which I'm really not going to discuss much. But it started with just, you know, injuries and spending so much time in the Marines, so many years, so many deployment, and just so many different things that I got to do in the service, right? I'm grateful for that. I would have not changed it for nothing. Like, again, you know, nothing would have made me change what we did in the military, and it was just such an amazing time, right? But again, it resulted in a couple injuries, and I had to leave the military, and I stayed home, and I spent years without riding. Essentially, I got rid of the bike that I had. It was gone, and I just sat there in the house trying to recover and all that stuff. And I moved from North Carolina down here to Florida. And I'm going to tell you, you know, my motorcycle, I guess one of the weird thing is like, and you probably know this, once you start riding, you miss it so much. You really do. And I see everyone here in Florida rides motorcycles. Is addicting. It's something that is everywhere. You know, such a great weather. I mean, you could essentially ride a motorcycle all, I guess in a way, all year around, right? It doesn't get that cold that you can't ride a bike. And if it does, you know, you could put a jacket and you'll be just fine. So I essentially, you know, kept watching people you know, riding bikes. Every place that I worked, every place that I was, somebody had a bike, somebody's riding a bike. And like I say, you know, when you ride bikes, it's just one of those things that you miss it so much. And the reason why you miss it is because the feeling that it gives you. It is amazing. It is mind-blowing. It is something that you really, it's hard to, you know, imitate with anything else, right? The motorcycle, it's just such an amazing thing. You could connect with what you're doing, you know, like you be riding and you could feel the wind, you could feel everything around you, right? You could just, now that I got this highway packs, pick up my legs, look at this, and I could just relax, enjoy the ride down, and just enjoy life. The sense of freedom is so amazing that it's just hard to describe to anyone unless you ride a motorcycle. If you ride a motorcycle, you know exactly what I'm talking about. I mean, I enjoy it. I love it. It relaxes me. I just came out of work. I had a great day at work, and nothing more relaxing and more comfortable than riding my bike home and just having a great time. So like I said, I moved down here to Florida, spent a couple years with no bikes, you know, quite a good amount of years with not a motorcycle. And then I decided to buy one, and this is what I went for. I went for this 2005 Road King. Main reason why is because I got it for a really good price. If you're new to the channel, this is the first time you see it, you're about to see it, because I'm going to stop very soon right here by the Target supermarket, and you'll be able to see the bike. I got it for a good price, guys. I paid $6,500 for it. It's a 2005, had about 7,000 miles, which is nothing, and it put me back in a bike. Literally, the moment that I started riding, it was just so amazing, you know. Just the feeling came back, and I'm like, man, I'm loving this. Obviously, I've done some things to, you know, make it better or make it more my own. And as you guys see, I have 16-inch apes that I got on the bike, and I'm just loving this ape. I am really loving this. One of the best upgrades that you could do to a bike, and you're about to see the bags that I put in the bike. I like the whole style. I like the apes with the stretch bags. I think it looks very classic. I think it looks very, very nice. And by the way, guys, I just ordered a saddle. I ordered a Saddleman Step Up saddle, which I guess is going to be coming in the next month, because the guy told me about 21 days to build and about 7 days to deliver. Now, to me, that was like, whoa. I was expecting, I don't know, a week or 2 weeks, but nevertheless, you know, they were really, they were really nice. I was able to make an order very, very easy. The guy was very polite, and you know what? I guess that's what it takes. So if that's what it takes, I'm okay with that. I can wait. As long as it's a good product, and as long as it's something that is gonna work out and help me ride longer and provide support on my back, I'm fine with that. So again, you're gonna see that saddle and this bike pretty soon. For whatever reason, I haven't really seen too many saddles on a Road King. Like, I haven't seen too many. Essentially, the Saddleman Step Up saddle is a saddle that primarily gets used for soft tails and things like that. But I think it's gonna look good. I've seen a couple of Road Kings with it, just a few, and I think it's gonna look just fine. All right, so let me step back here. Let me stop talking, show you my bags, and show you the motorcycle and give you some impressions on the bags. So here's my update on this saddlebags, and I'm gonna keep my helmet on because the wing is kind of bad. But I mean, I'm loving it so far. Really haven't had too many complaints other than this right here. You guys see that? It feels like it's fading out. Now, this is kind of my fault. I should be using some leather conditioner or some kind of conditioner or something like that. But nevertheless, you know, I kind of do this because I like to test it, and I kind of like to show you guys, you know, kind of like rough, you know, in a way rough use. I don't know how much rough I do, but again, you know, it's kind of fading out a little bit of, you know, like a little bit of rust right there, but nothing crazy. Primarily this, and if you compare that to this right here, You can see how this one is not as fade out as the other one. And obviously, I mean, the bike sits like this, right? So when it sits like this, obviously that side right there is hitting the sun more. Other than that, guys, the bags are amazing. If you want to get them for the price that you're going to get them, it's just a fantastic price. I'm not going to cover the specs. I'll link the first video down below if you want to see the spec, because I talked about that in the first video. In this video, I'm just letting you know my opinions. I'm loving it. The first time I got it, the leather was a little bit kind of like bulking in here or something, kind of like it wasn't glue all the way, but I kept going like this, and again, never had an issue, never again. Other than that, which I don't like, by the way, but it's kind of my fault. I should be putting some kind of polish or something in there. We have really no issues. And if you open it up, you can see in the inside, I got my camera bag, I got my lunch, look at that. And I mean, it just looks amazing. It's not super spacious because it has all these things in there. I mean, obviously turns and things like that, but it's spacious enough for a set of saddlebags. It's just amazing, right? You see the hinges, everything is working as it's supposed to be. And again, you hear it clicking, and it clicks, right? You do need to have the keys to open it. I kind of pre-opened them already, but to me, that's not a big deal at all. Look at this right here. I mean, just great. This bag has been such a fantastic bag. Really not too many complaints about it. They look amazing. They make the bike look just so gorgeous. I mean, this Road King with this stretch bags is just amazing. And the thing about it is that Viking is always setting up, you know, specials and discount codes and things like that. So if that's something that you're looking for, or you want to buy this bag, wait for the discount codes. Like, I got them for about 30% off. And like I said, you know, 30% off gave me a huge discount. I mean, they look just so amazing. I'm really happy with them, guys. I don't know what else to tell you. I like them. I love them. I love the looks that it gives the bike, and I think they're just fantastic. I do gonna start using some kind of leather conditioner and conditioners for this. If you have any recommendations, put them down in the comment section below, because obviously I want them to last me for a long time. Yeah. All right, guys. I'm out of here. The wife is waiting for me to have dinner. Appreciate you guys watching. And as always, God is in control.